Ellen. New year, new you, new me, new us. What's up, Ellen? 2018 is coming and gone. It's cool. We didn't hang out. I'm okay with that. 2019 is a new year. New you, new me, new us. And a new date night with Ellen. Oh, Ellen, it's a date night. We gonna have some food. Yeah. Anywho, Ellen, I'm gonna try and impress you now with a New Year's salad. Some roasted veg, some warmth, some heat, some acidity. It's a fantastic salad. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Let's cook. All right, Ellen, so brand new month. We're gonna make this one nice and simple for you. Got a baking sheet. Just gonna line it like so. Take some nice vegetables. We got some carrots. Get all crazy and messy. Some red onion. Ooh, I like red onion. Now I'm leaving them slightly larger so that when they roast, they don't get too mush. And then when they come out of the oven, we're gonna slice them up a little bit smaller. This is some fennel. I love fennel. I hope you do too. And then some beets. Now I have pre-blanched my beets, so that way when they roast in the oven, they're not still super hard. And yeah, I mean, you can go right from raw to oven. No, I wouldn't suggest it. I would say blanch them first. A little bit of canola oil on here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now, I used red beets, but you can also use golden beets. You can use candy cane beets. You can use Dre's beets. Get it? Dre's beets. So we're gonna season it with a little salt and pepper. Right, and a little brown sugar. Brown sugar helps all the vegetables kind of caramelize when they're in the oven. Cinnamon. You're gonna preheat your oven to 425. Throw it in until all your veg are nice and roasted. Pull it out, make a salad. The vegetables are in the oven roasting. Time to make a little bit of salad dressing. Nothing too intense. We want to make sure it just kind of lightly coats the beautiful vegetables that are in there. You need fresh garlic. Ding. Gonna use some olive oil. Ba-bing. A little bit of agave syrup. Da-ding. Ba-boo. All right. Then we have some smooth Dijon mustard. You can use grainy Dijon. You can use hot mustard. I like the smooth for my salad dressings. And we're going to take a little bit of dried rosemary. Like a Christmas tree. It just falls right off the branches. Now we need our acidity. So we have juice from 1 lemon. And a little bit of salt and pepper in here. Okay, now we're gonna make the dressing. This helps emulsify it. Gets all those ingredients dancing around. Ta-da! All right, we got our dressing. Okay, so now to just finish off the salad with a little bit of crunch, a little flavor crunch. Got some nice hot pan. I'm gonna toast some pumpkin seeds. Trick is to get them in there flat. You want it to go inside a pan that's already hot so you can start to toast it as quickly as possible. The seasoning I'm using is like a sriracha lime, so it's got a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick, a little bit of acidity, just like in the salad dressing. And it's just meant to go on as a salad topper. All right, Ellen, our dressing is made, our pumpkin seeds are popping, and the veg is roasted. Time to take it out of the oven, build this beautiful salad for me and for you. Okay, Ellen, we're gonna build our salad. First, you're gonna take the roasted carrots and beets and place them on your nice plate. Then you're gonna grab the roasted onions and roasted fennel and slice them thin, and then arrange those around the carrots and the beets. Then take your apple, slice it, and once again, place the apple around all the other ingredients. So pretty. Add a little salt and pepper. Now get your Dijon vinaigrette and spoon it over the vegetables so they get a light dressing. Add the toasted pumpkin seeds, and then garnish with fennel tips. Well, there you have it, folks, a roasted veg salad that can make friends. So we've just proved Homer Simpson wrong. True story. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Ellen, I'll talk to you so soon. And let me know what your 2019 plans are down in the comments below. Have a good one. Make fun salad.